All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman with the Yamaha 255X. As you come into the boat, large platform for swimming and activities on the rear slide seating. So you can make more room in the cockpit or more room in the back. Coming into the boat, awesome wet sound system with the sound bar and tower speakers, subwoofer down below. Tons of storage, side captain's chair, glove box on this side. Also, you have storage on the observer side. At the helm, you've got the drive system with the paddle shifters, also dual helm controls. This one's equipped with the cruise wake, cruise control, phone holder, Yamaha engine management, boat control system here. Tons of room up front. Check this Yamaha and many others out at MarineMax Lake Norman. Thank you.